Hello YouTube, IceCool Tech here, back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to jailbreak iOS 13.0 to 13.3 on an iPhone 11 with Unc0ver. Now this tutorial is for macOS, however I will have a Windows 10 tutorial coming very soon. Now before we get into the tutorial, if you happen to be new to the channel, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button guys, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all the latest news, announcements, and of course updates from Apple, as well as all reviews, tutorials, and more from IceCool Tech. Every subscriber I get truly does mean a lot, and it's very appreciated. We are so close to 700 subscribers, and it's so amazing. Thank you all so much. Anyway, let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright, so for this tutorial, I will be running macOS Mojave 10.14.6 on my MacBook Pro. Now, first we are going to make sure that we have an ARM64E device, which is a device running off of an A12 or A13 processor, and it needs to be on iOS 13.0 through 13.3. Now, ARM64 devices such as the iPhone 6s through iPhone 810, which is A9 through A11 support, will be coming soon. Now, I'll be using my iPhone 11 for this tutorial. So what we're going to do first is plug in the target device to your Mac. And now when that's plugged in and everything's good, we're going to open up Safari or any web browser, honestly, of your choice. It doesn't matter. And we're going to go to the link down in the description below, and we're going to install Alt-Deploy. Now, Alt-Deploy is essentially a City Impactor, a newer version of it. Not by the same developers, but it's new and it works. So we're going to install this. And when you open up for the first time, I do need to say this, it's going to ask you to install the Mail plugin. Now you have to install this Mail plugin or else you cannot use the tool. So in order to install the plugin, after you opened up Alt-Deploy, we're going to go into our Mail application on our Mac. We're going to go into the top right corner of the screen where it says the Apple logo of the Mail. We're going to click on Mail. In the drop down menu, we're going to go to Preferences. Now in the General section, we're going to go to the bottom left corner and we're going to click Manage Plugins. Now make sure Alt Plugin.Mail Bundle is checked. You can safely exit out of this. Now you need to have the Mail application open at all times. It does not matter if you have it here on the screen or if you minimize it, as long as you do not close out of it. Now once all that is set up, we're going to go ahead and go to uncover.dev, and we're going to download version 4.0.2. Now beware, because a lot of websites are claiming to be the official Unc0ver download site, even though they are not. So just make sure you go to the official one. Link is also in the description down below. Alright, so once you have all those files installed on your computer, you're going to open up Alt-Deploy and then proceed to drag the Unc0ver IPA into the box right here. Click Start, let it run through all the processes. Now I'm not going to be doing this because I already have Unc0ver installed on my iPhone. And then this is just going to sideload Unc0ver onto your device. Now when that finishes, we're going to go ahead and open up your device. If you need to, go into Settings, General, scroll down to Profiles and or Device Management, tap on your email, and then, or Apple ID, and then you're just going to trust it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up Unc0ver and just tap Jailbreak. Now I actually jailbroke my phone for the second part of this video already because it would mess up the screen recording to the side if I jailbroke in the middle of it, so I have it already jailbroken. Now when you jailbreak, I do need to point this out, if you jailbreak, it might restart at 1 out of 30. Now if this happens, just try it again and it should work the second time. Now if you have an iPhone 11 Pro or an iPhone 11 Pro Max, you may have to wait for a future update, as the kernel tends to panic at 1:30, causing a restart. You can continue to try, but a lot of 11 Pro and Pro Max users cannot get this to work. Now, it will need a respring about halfway through to save a snapshot of your device. Now, when it turns on, open up Unc0ver and tap Jailbreak, and this time it should succeed. If you do want to unjailbreak your device, what you're going to do is go to Unc0ver, click the Settings icon in the top right corner, find Restore Root FS and enable it, tap Done. Now you'll see Restore Root FS has replaced the jailbreak button. You're just going to tap that and let it run. Now this will not erase your phone, it will just remove the jailbreak. And the cool thing with Unc0ver too is, of course, if you decide to jailbreak later and you jailbreak, all your tweaks and themes will be in place how they were before. Anyway guys, that's how to jailbreak and unjailbreak an A12 or A13 device on iOS 13 to 13.3. Now if you guys are interested, I have a Windows tutorial coming soon. That's all I have for you today's video, and make sure to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed or found it helpful in any way. If you happen to be new to the channel, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure to check out the IceCool Tech official Discord, link in the description down below as always. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will definitely get back to you. And also let me know how your experience has been with the Unc0ver jailbreak on your A12 or A13 device. Alright everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.